Hey loves, so welcome back to my channel. The most affordable 5 type of hairs every woman should get. Now I'll start with this 10 inches bone straight. You can have it in black, but just get the colors that you like. Like I like black very well, but as they say, variety is the spice of life. So I do more of the blend. This is the wine color. Yes, 10 inches. Comes very nice. You can have it in black, chestnut brown. This one is easy to maintain. Easy to maintain. Just get a flatonga and just do it. It's just a simple 2x6 closure. It's very easy to maintain. Like I said, every woman should have this. You can call it the fringe. This is factory made anyway, not less than 50k. You can have this one, 14 inches. It's very nice. Less maintenance. I'll start with the less maintenance and before you say I'll come, I'm giving you too much work this year. So this one, the bang. And I said, oh, I like short hair. For those people that like short hairs, so you can start with this one. But I feel every woman should have this one in their collection as well. So now we go to maybe longer lengths of, I'm not just showing you the black because there are other nice colors, because almost all my hair collections, they are in black. This one is a 24 inch. So like I said, this one is a factory hair. It came like that. This one you can get 150 gram or 200 gram to make this hair. For this one, anything longer than 16 inches, you need a 300 gram because the density tends to reduce. So you need like a 300 gram. You can have this one, chestnut brown or the normal black. I think it's a 24 inches as well. That's 3 now. Then every woman, this is just the bonus. Every woman needs a ponytail drawstring. This is just a bonus anyway, so we're not counting it. But it's a straight hair. You can start with black or coily drawstring that has this clip in here. It's very nice. Then let's go to the water hair. Like we all know, some people will just say it's just water. The maintenance is just water. Pixie coils. Yeah, this is your pixie. This is your pixie coil. You use a big comb for it anyway, and a conditioner, leave-in conditioners. That's what you need for it. This is it. This is black. This is black with a closure. But in case you want this one with an hairband, it's still okay. It's not a problem. This one is very versatile. So maybe you want to see them on me. I'll just wear them individually, one after the other. Then every woman needs a bounce. That's what I'm wearing right now. Every woman needs a bounce. But this bounce, like I said, I started from the low maintenance to the high maintenance. This bounce requires your blood to keep it fine and going. You see this bounce, the maintenance, no air comes coily. So this is it. This is, see, anytime you wear it, you have to roll. You have to roll. You can use this flexi rod on them. You can use the flexi rod on them. But what I have here is a full frontal, so I always do the installation. It has even scattered the air. It has scattered the air truthfully. So I had to do like the filling and just made it a glueless wig. It's very, and one thing I will advise you again, please, any length from 16 inches, you can have retained coils. But anything from 16 inches, you'll be doing it time after each wear. No air comes coily. Which factory? All these ones are just factory made. These coils are factory made. So you'll be the one to now keep the coils going. Like you see, if I want to comb it out, it's very full. It's very, very full. So I'll run this air so you see it. I'll just do a voiceover for it. This is the bounce. This is how it comes. See, this is how it comes. It's bouncy, right? Bouncy. It's really full. If I turn, it's really full. I had a blend of 20, 22, and 24 layered. So I had it layered. But this one requires huge maintenance and It's quite affordable as well, but you just start according to what your pocket can afford. So I will just wear the individual wigs. So you see the fitting. Every wigs, every woman, 5 weeks, every woman needs to get. So I'll
So this is my number one wig essential for every woman. You can make it a bob or a straight wig. I don't really like the bobby type like everywhere. I like it like a blend of bob and blunt cut in front. If you notice, my bob is at the back and I have the blunt cut by the side, and it's very nice. Now you see, these are a is our bang or fringe. It's factory made and I like it. Everything it's sleek, everything is just perfect. You don't need any stress. It's just to comb. Provided just have a comb handy by your side, you are good to go. Just comb it. If you are the lazy type that don't like doing your brows, just make sure it covers your brows very well. Just your lashes will be showing. So you comb. The only downside about this hair, you need to comb. Always comb your hair, because if you scatter, it won't be funny. I'm just telling you. Normal comb, easy parts, any way you want to do it. If you want it slightly light in front of you because of heat or anything, you can just adjust it. So it's easy to maintain and it's very sleek, gives you this bossy and edgy look. It's really nice. You should get it. Go to any store, you get it. Now for this hairband, I like this wig so much. It's our busy koi. It's so versatile, eh? I'm telling you, I like the color. It's piano. That's what they call it, because it has brown and gold in it. Yes, I can do the all back now because it's tightly not at the back. I always push my airline to show it very well. And you see, for every woman, we have a beauty side. My beauty side is always to the left. So you notice now, so I will turn it. So the wristwatch, and that's where I take all my parts. So that's my beauty side. If I wear anything on the other side, it doesn't really bring out my face and makes my look pop. So this is my beauty side. This is how you can rock your hair. It's really versatile. But I'll try out the black because most people say, oh, I like black. This color is too loud. No problem. So let's try out the black. So I'm trying out the black right now. The PC is 14 inches. If you know me, if I do 10, I love 14 inches. I told you all my collections are usually in the black. I don't know whether they sold for me with black, but anyway, variety is the spice of life. So once in a while, I'll just do different. And if you notice, I don't have concros because my scalp is very tender. So I tend to avoid, this is the middle part. So most times I'll just turn it to my beauty side, the left hand side. So it just drops more at the other side. So this is it. You see it now. So which do you prefer, the airband or the one with the closure? This one with the closure, you can rock it anyhow. For native, formal attire, casual look, official look. The only thing, just use your water conditioner and you are good to go. You don't have wahala. So the black and the other piano, which one's it better? I think both of them is nice. Now I just have to comb my hair very well. Normally I wear nets, but just for this video, so I'm doing it. I have long legs in black, but I choose to have like different colors to just when you. I used to stick with one particular color. All of a while, I got tired. Why am I sticking to so much black? Is so I started doing like, let me do the chestnut brown, mind easy color. And if you notice, the roots of my closures are dark for colored hair. So you call them dark roots. If you are scared of colored hair, make sure the roots is dark. See the hair, see how sleek it is. Don't try. All the hairs I'm advertising here, they are available for sale. I sell hair, just in case you don't know. I'll give you good quality for small money. So I'm turning it now again to my beauty side, the left hand side. That's how I like rocking my hair. I just like one particular stuff. It is good, it fits, I'll stick with it. That's just me and a beauty routine. So that's it. And this is 24 inches, like I said. So it's normal. I have 30, I have 36, but I was always combing. You always have to comb your hair. You always have to comb your hair. That's how you see the beauty. If you know you don't know how to comb your hair, please just avoid wigs. So this one is the bounce I told you about. That is a full front tie. If you notice, it's glueless. I'm supposed to just put my glue at the both side to make it stick, but for this video I'm not going to do all those installations and all those dry and whatever. So I'm trying to comb it out and take it to my left hand side. I'm trying to push the top and raise it a little bit so that it gives me this look. I'll just use I just finished rolling the cell. Yes, I just rocked it once. So for this video, I still have some coils retained in it. So I'll just use my hand to be doing the bounce and all of that if I don't want it flying all over my face. So that's just it. So I'm good to go. If I don't want it bouncing, I'll just want the rolls. So I'll just do this one with my hand. So you're good to go. You're good. So that's it. You can go. I love this hair in particular. It's black again. You can know my number of hair that are in black there. So I'll see you in my next video.